Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Chrome and going straight to the three-dot menu. Click it, then choose Help and About Chrome. This forces an update check immediately, so you don't waste time. Once Chrome reports an available update, it downloads automatically. Make sure to save any work because Chrome may require a restart. If you have multiple profiles, repeat for each one. These quick actions get the process started and reduce interruptions before the heavier steps. Once the update begins, watch the progress bar in About Chrome so you know when it's complete. While it downloads, make sure your network isn't saturated. Pause big transfers if necessary to speed things up. If you're on a managed or corporate device, check for enterprise policies that can block updates. Contact IT or use the admin console to push updates. This step ensures the update completes cleanly and that policy restrictions or bandwidth issues don't stall the process. Finish by restarting Chrome immediately so the new version applies, then confirm the version in About Chrome. If the update fails, clear the browser cache and disable extensions because corrupt data or an extension can block the installer. Once done, retry the update. If problems persist, reinstall Chrome or use the Chrome Cleanup tool. For managed devices, escalate to IT. These steps close the loop and give you one key troubleshooting tip. Disable extensions and clear cache.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.